First of all, I am a very saddened citizen of this country today. I am here with the parents of the late Rex, a young man who didn't have to die. I have no words to express my grief and my sadness on your behalf. I have no idea what you're going through, but I know how tough it is as a parent myself to have to lose a child. I want to say that the reason I've decided to speak to you in the media is because of the obvious cat and mouse games that are being played by the police. You can imagine from 9 o'clock, this family has been here, ready for them to be able to undertake the post-mortem process so that they can move this young hero from city mortuary to a place that is a bit more befitting in terms of what the family wants to see their son's last journey to look like. But can you imagine that for all those hours, we are waiting for a file to come from Central Police Station so that the post-mortem process can begin? How can it take, even on the worst day in traffic, even on the worst day of traffic in Nairobi, there is no way it can take more than 4 hours to come from Central Police Station to City Mortuary. I have called the OCPD myself, I have called the OCS of Central, I have called the DCIO officers, Bwana Njagi himself, who's supposed to be bringing that file. The last time I spoke to him over 2 hours ago, the guy told me he was at Upper Hill. Honestly speaking, even if you are walking backwards, it is not possible for you to take 2 hours from Upper Hill to here. And this is the frustration that we face as Kenyans. All this family wants is to be able to find out what killed Rex and then move him to a place that they feel is more deserving for him. All the people, everybody else is here. I have spoken to IPOA, the IPOA team is already here. The family pathologists are here. The government pathologist, Johnson Dodwar, has been here since 9. It is very unfair what is happening in our country, and we want to condemn the police. I wish this IG Koome would be somebody that we can deal with personally as Kenyans. I am telling you people, this country is not going to change by being nice to people. I can assure you. I can assure you that unless we take drastic action, this country is never going to change. You can see, you have shot somebody in the streets in cold blood, and yet we have to wait for you to bring a file so that we can move Rex from here. Even if it is adding insult to injury. I mean, this country where we have gotten, ladies and gentlemen, unless we as citizens take very drastic action, this country is never going to change. In fact, I am moved to propose, let us go and get the file ourselves. Let us see how difficult it is to move from here to Central Police Station. We go and bring the file ourselves. If they can't bring the file themselves, let's go and get the file ourselves. It is very unfortunate what is happening in this country. And therefore, I want to condemn the Kenya police. You cannot kill us, and then even processes to just allow us to bury our dead, you want to frustrate even those processes. So we want to give this notice now. Because for us as the political leadership, we have largely stayed out of this process. We want this movement to be led by the young people. They themselves know the country that they want. But I feel like government is taking these young people for a ride. And I want to say as SG of ODM, we are available for you, whatever help you want. Whatever help you want. This is your movement. We are not trying to hijack it. We will not even try to hijack it. But when frustrations such as this get to this level, I honestly am moved to actually join this thing ourselves. Because what do these parents do? What do you want them to do now? Exactly. What do what if you are her mother, his mother now, what do you do? She's been here since morning, just waiting for a file from Central. Hii madharau na kiburi kwa hii serikali itakuja kuisha. Na nawaambia hii kiburi na pembe ambazo wamemea hazitaanguka zenyewe, lazima zikatwe hizi pembe. I am telling you, my countrymen. So we want to tell the OCS and the DCIO officers at the police station there in Central Police Station. You have very little time to get that file here. Or we will have, actually, we are going to come for that file ourselves. We are going to come for that file ourselves because it is unfair to treat this family the way they've been treated here and to keep all these people here from 8 just waiting for a file from the police station. Asante sana.
Question.
Yes.
Question, Senator. How do you think that next Tuesday's protest will differ from Thursday's, considering what happened to Rex and also what
you need to speak to the young people who are in the streets. You didn't see me in the streets. This is not about me.
you've mentioned?
This is not about me. These young people in this country, you have to speak to them. Give the mic to them. They will tell you what they want. Not me. I don't know.
You've just mentioned
I don't know. I don't know. I am saying for them, we as a political leadership are here. This is your movement. Take it wherever you want to take it. The logical conclusion of this thing is not in the mind of Sifuna. It is in the minds of these young people who were in the streets yesterday. Speak to them. They will tell you the sort of country they want to see. They will tell you themselves, you know. So for me, really, what brought me here was to be able to ensure that at least we transfer Rex from here. We have offered a private pathologist for the family. We have offered support. We have called IPOA. We have every single thing that the family will require. We are here to help. And that is all. As for the movement, you speak to the young people. They will tell you, huyu kijana haira is huyu. Atakuja kuambia ni ile kitu wanataka hii Kenya ifanyike. Asante sana.
Justice for Rex.
Like Mheshimiwa Jeremiah Kioni, Jubilee Secretary General, our sister Mother Karua already in Nakuru. They are actually continuing with the Limuru 3 deliberations. So they will be saying similar stuff. Edwin Sifuna, Mheshimiwa Sifuna was here before, and he has had to rush to the city mortuary to confirm this news about Rex. You will recall that during our last press conference, he actually said, as Secretary General of ODM, they had sent out letters to all their members. And we recognize some of the members of ODM, like member for, I think, Kibra, actually heeded that call and voted no. Langata, member for Langata, Mheshimiwa Jalango. Those others, and we have 3 in Waipa, we're obviously going to start that process ourselves. We have the case of member for Taveta, the county women rep for Kisii, and who is the third one? Dadab, who is actually the deputy leader of my party. Yeah. So we,
Sorry, sir.
sorry.
Can continue.
Is it okay? Thank you.
Speak to the young people who are in the streets. You didn't see me in the streets. This is not about me.
You've mentioned
This is not about me. These young people in this country, you have to speak to them. Give the mic to them. They will tell you what they want. Not me. I don't know.
You've just mentioned
I don't know. I don't know. I am saying for them, we as a political leadership are here. This is your movement. Take it wherever you want to take it. The logical conclusion of this thing is not in the mind of Sifuna. It is in the minds of these young people who were in the streets yesterday. Speak to them. They will tell you the sort of country they want to see. They will tell you themselves, you know. So for me, really, what brought me here was to be able to ensure that at least we transfer Rex from here. We have offered a private pathologist for the family. We have offered support. We have called IPOA. We have every single thing that the family will require. We are here to help. And that is all. As for the movement, you speak to the young people. They will tell you, huyu kijana haira is huyu. Atakuja kuambia ni ile kitu wanataka hii Kenya ifanyike. Asante sana.